How to fix ChatGPT PDF not downloading. Trying to download a PDF from ChatGPT but keep hitting errors? Here is how you can fix that. So common issues include file not found or pretty print only. This happens when browser cache or session links break. So first, refresh your browser tab. So click on this reload button at the top left of your screen. If that doesn't work, log out and back in to reset your session. Now, next is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the top right corner of your browser and then select Settings from here. And then on the settings, go ahead and head over into Privacy and Security and then select Delete Browsing Data. And then make sure to check Cache and Cookies. Restart the browser and try downloading again after you clear it. Now, if the error persists, switch browsers. So many users report downloads failing in one but working fine in another. Instead of retrying the broken link, you can also ask ChatGPT to regenerate the PDF. If that fails, request docs or text and convert it manually. Most ChatGPT PDF errors come from browser cache or broken sessions. With this steps, you restore downloads quickly. And that's how to fix ChatGPT PDF download errors. Did this solve your issue?